Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change return address on Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to the settings and then we will need just to change our location. So if you go to the orders and for example we have this returned or that has return in progress tag here for this order. And as you can see, there is nothing specifically for the return address. All we have is the contact information and the shipping address and the billing address. And basically, those are not the return address. To do so or to change the return address, you will need just to change the location of your shop. So from this menu here, after clicking on the settings, we need just to search for locations. And basically here is location. And after that, we will find our all locations. So either you can click on adding a location or you can just modify your current location. And you can also find and see the inactive and active ones if you want to separate them. So basically, we will click just on our location. You click on the name, you change your location name, and you change the address. And basically, this location address will be automatically the return address. So from here, you will need just to change all these informations, which is your country, your address, and of course, any apartment, suite, or and of course, the postal code is necessary. So it needs to be uh, working with the country or your region. And from here, you will add your phone number as the final step, and then you click on save, and then that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.